السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. سبحانك اللهم لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. And inshallah today we are going to proceed in the next lesson, which is Ad-Dars As-Sabi' lesson 7. Ad-Dars As-Sabi' lesson 7. And in this lesson we are going to be learning RVE and Tilka, and we are also going to be learning Zalika and Haza. You know, in the previous lesson we have discussed about Haza, that Haza is this for masculine, and Hazi'i is also this but for feminine. Today we will be talking about Zalika, which means that, and we also will be talking about Tilka, which means that. But Zalika is for masculine, while Tilka is for feminine. Now, we are going to start by saying Man hadhihi, Man hazihi, who is this? Man hazihi, who is this? But you know that hazihi, as I mentioned in the previous lesson, is for feminine. So there is a question that there is another answer here. Hazihi Amina, this is Amina. One other question says Man tilka, who is that? Man tilka, who is that? That means somebody that is in a far place. Who is that? Who is that? The answer is going to be Tilka Fatima. That is Fatima. That is Fatima. And this question is like this. Hazi'i tabibatun. Hazi'i tabibatun. This is a doctor, meaning a female doctor. Hazi'i tabibatun. This is a female doctor. Watilka mumarridatun, and this is a female nurse. Watilka, tilka means that, and that is a female nurse. So let me take this for doctor. So havi'i tabiba, you see that the doctor is close. But when you want to refer to mumarrida, so mumarrida is far. So that's why I use that word tilka. So watilka mumarridatun, and that is a female nurse. As you know, we have male doctor, female doctor, male nurse, and female nurse. Now, this one says, Hazi'i min al-Hind. Hazi'i min al-Hind. Hazi'i meaning this doctor. Hazi'i, this is from Indian. Watilka min al-Japan. So, and that is from Japan. That is from Japan. So he said, Havi'i tawila, this is tall. Havi'i tawila, this is tall. Watilka qasira, and that is short. And that is short. Now let us move to the second one here. This one now, we have talked about the one for feminine. We'll be discussing masculine now. Man haza, who is this? Man haza, who is this? Haza Hamid, this is Hamid. So this one is simple, just like what we did in previous lessons. Waman zalik, and who is that? Waman zalik, and who is that? Zalika Ali, that is Ali. Do you see? Haza for somebody that is close to you. Why? Zalika for somebody that is far, that is distant from you. And the both Haza and Zalika is both used for masculine. Let us proceed. And here we have Atilka Dajajatun. Atilka Dajajatun. You see that this one is far from here. So say Atilka Dajajatun. Is that a is that an? Is that an? So the answer is La Tilka Battatun. No, that is a duck. That is a duck. Now inshallah, now we are moving to the next page. Now it's continuing like this. Ma tilka, what is that? Ma tilka, what is that? What is that? Tilka baydatun. Tilka baydatun, that is egg. That is egg. Now we are moving to the next one here. Hadhihi sayyaratul mudarris. Hadhihi sayyaratul mudarris. So this is the teacher's car. The teacher's car. وَتِلْكَ سَيَّارَةُ الْمُدِيرِ. And that, you see that this one that they use that for its distance is far. So وَتِلْكَ سَيَّارَةُ الْمُدِيرِ, and that is the proprietor's car. Now, here now we have another sentence here. أَسَعَةُ أَبَّاسِ هَذِي. أَسَعَةُ أَبَّاسِ هَذِي. So let me use this one for hazi because it's close. Because the one that is big, meaning that the way it is big, means it's very close to you. Unlike this one that is small. So Asa'atu Abbas hazi, is this Abbas clock? Is this Abbas clock? The answer is la, no. Hazi'i Sa'atu Hamid. So Hazi'i Sa'atu Hamid or Hamid. So this is Hamid clock. Or I say this is Hamid wristwatch. And Watilka Sa'atu Abbas. And that. So let us use this one as that. It's far. And that is Abbas watch. And that is Abbas watch. Now the last one here we are having Tilka Dikun. Zalika Dikun. So Zalika Dikun. That is cock. That is cock. I say that is a cock. Watilka Dajajatun an. And that is a n. And that is a n. Meaning both of them, they are from far distance. So that's why I use Zalika for that cock and use Tilka for that hen. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the understanding. Now inshallah we are moving to a tamarin exercise. A tamarin exercise. Here, Iqra waktub. Iqra waktub. Read and write. Iqra read, waktub write. Now هذه مدرسة. This is a madrasa. وتلك جامعة, and that is a university. Now the second one, ذلك حمار. That is a donkey. وتلك بقرة, and that is a cow. So ذلك مسجد. Is that a masjid? لا, no. تلك مدرسة. That is a madrasa. The fourth one here, هذا جمل. This, you see, this is a camel. وتلك ناقة, and that is a female camel. So jamalun means a male camel, white naqatun means a female camel. Now we have هذه madrasa. This is madrasa. وتلك طالبة, and that is a female student. هذا كلب. This is a dog. وذلك قطة. وذلك قط, and that is a cat. Well, it is qittatun, as I mentioned earlier, it is going to be that is a female cat. Once you put ta at the end of qitto, in order to qittatun, it returns to female cat. While the last sentence here we have هذا بيت المؤذن. This is the house of Muhazzin. وتلك حديقة التاجر, and that is the garden of the businessman. Tajir means businessman. Once you put there, Tajir return, it returns to a business woman. So inshallah, this is where we are going to stop today. So as we have learned so far on how to use haza and hazi'i. Haza is this and hazi is also this. Why haza is for masculine, why hazi'i is for feminine. And today we are taking two things, which is Zalika and Tilka. Zalika is also that, as Tilka, they are both that. But Zalika is for masculine and Tilka is for feminine. And as I mentioned earlier, we use Tilka for things that end with ta. So anything you see that end with ta, or name of a female, even though it doesn't end with what, it doesn't end with ta. But inshallah, when we go further, we are going to know how to know things that are masculine and things that are what are feminine, because there are some things sometimes it's not going to have ta, but we are going to regard to his with feminine in Arabic language. So inshallah we are going to stop here. The one that like here now, uktub waqra. So if you have that time after reading it, you can also write it in your exercise note. So it's going to help you. What you read, you can compare it with what you read and what you also write. So inshallah, this is where we are going to stop for today. Meet you in the next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.